Hey guys, it's Vic here again. Remember last year when we showed you the all-new ZERO 10X? Well, many of you have fed back, hey, do you have something lighter? Do you have something more compact? ZERO 10X is an awesome machine, but we need something that we can handle, right? ZERO 10X, 2000 watts, nominal power, it's got 10-inch tires, dual motor, dual suspension, lots of good stuff there. Now, can you take all of that and squeeze it into a much smaller frame? Now we have the answer. Now, unveiling the ZERO 8X. Okay, so what do we have in this box? Okay, so you get the user manual, ZERO user manual, same thing, all right? Let's just remove this. All right, I'm just going to come behind here because this is lightweight, but you know it's all relative. It's not light when compared to other scooters. Okay, it's lighter than the 10X. You know, I can carry it with 2 hands, but you know, I've always been strong. Okay, so let's take this out. Oh man, look at this. There you go. Okay, let's not block this. Okay, the ZERO 8X. Okay, 8-inch tires, right? They're ultra wide tires for more grip. It's got the same suspension as the ZERO 10X. Gives you a wonderful cushiony feel when you're riding through those rough terrains. Okay, it's got double disc brakes. They're 120 as compared to the 140 mm on the ZERO 10X. Now, this is everything the ZERO 10X is, right? With a slightly less power, it's 1,600 watts as compared to the total output of that ZERO 10X, which is 2,000 watts, right, nominal. So, but you get the same suspension, you get the same uphill climb power, and you get what I think is a much nicer scooter as compared to anything out there in the market. Wow, okay, look at this anodized fork. Okay, let's take it up, take apart the styrofoam a little bit. Okay, I'm gonna have to cut it. Okay, guys, this is exciting. Take this out. Okay. So, ZERO 10X, right? One of the biggest reasons why people are afraid to ride it because it's so bulky, right? It's wide, it's got 700 mm handlebar width. This solves the problem, right? Foldable handlebars on the 8X. It makes everything more compact. Putting it into your car or your van, you can probably squeeze, if you could squeeze one 10X in the trunk of your car, you could squeeze 2 of this. Okay, so let's set up. It's got a foldable handlebar. Let's see. So it's got a center screw for you to screw the 2 parts of the handlebar together. Okay, right? Okay, and it's got the same clamp that 10X has. This double quick release clamp, really perfect for urban rough use. I mean, I don't advocate taking out on the rough wilderness terrain, but it's good enough for whatever urban jungle you live in, right? What else can I say of this? It's got everything the 10X has, right? It's got the key locks, it's got the Eco Turbo, it's got the single and dual motor drive. It's got 800 watts of power in each of these 8-inch tires. Inside the deck, it's got an 18Ah battery, upgradable to 23Ah, just like the 10X. So that gives you a range of 85 kilometers for the 18Ah and 110 kilometers for the 23Ah. So, pretty much, whatever you need that, you could possibly use in the city that you live in, right? You don't need to pump the tires. That's a huge hassle off your mind. Overall, wow, you got to ride it to believe it. So try it today, right? It'll be out soon at the nearest store close to you. That's it, all right? So thank you for listening. Again, my name is Vic, here presenting the all-new ZERO 8X. Thank you. All right.